That competitor analysis report due tomorrow morning, a dozen browser tabs open, and a blank spreadsheet staring back at you. We've all lived this nightmare. Now, what if you could give a single command and turn all that chaos into a finished report, a professional presentation, and a few hours of your life back? This isn't a dream. This is the power of a true agent.
Welcome to the world of the ChatGPT agent. This isn't just a language model, it's an executive agent that can use various tools to automate complex tasks for you. In this video, we'll show you step-by-step how this agent works.
Together, we'll learn how to conduct a full research task and turn it into a professional presentation with a single prompt. Then, we'll dive into extracting data from complex PDFs and building spreadsheets. And finally, we'll show you how to customize the agent to book your appointments based on your schedule. So stay with us until the end of this video.
Let's start with a real-world scenario. Imagine you want to research options for opening a new office for a tech company in Singapore, and you need details about government grants and business collaborations.
Hi, can you help me research options for opening an office in Singapore for a tech company? Also, we want details on government and business grants and collaborations we can work with. Make me a comprehensive and beautiful slide deck to cover all your findings. And now for the best part. This works on its own. I can close my computer, go out, and come back later to see what it has created. As you can see, the agent is searching for details, checking reputable websites, and finding relevant images. After gathering all the information, you'll see it starts creating a PowerPoint in the terminal. It automatically designs the slides and places the found content within them. When the task is complete, you get a notification. Let's see the result. How was it? I think I'm pretty happy. It found really nice images of potential office spaces. Thumbs up. If there's something we want to fix, I can just instruct it or download it to fix it myself. Now let's explore another capability of the agent, data analysis. A great use case that comes up a lot is working with complex files. Imagine you need to find the comprehensive annual financial reports, or ACFRs, for the city of San Francisco for the last 5 years and compile its data into a spreadsheet.
This works on its own. I usually just close my laptop and go. The agent first searches the web to find the source of the financial reports, then opens the links and starts finding and organizing the data from the PDF files. Then it has to extract maybe 200 numbers from each PDF, and finally, it will have one command that creates the whole spreadsheet at once. Yep, I think it got 98% of it right. It also formatted the Excel workbook as I instructed it. In this case, the revisions were minor, so I did them in Excel. But you could definitely do them in ChatGPT as well.
One of the really exciting things that we've done with the agent is you can give it your connectors. Then it can learn from your history, things you've done, and things you like, to understand you and make better decisions with that information, because it knows you.
I want to plan a date night with my fiance. I've already set up my Google Calendar connector for the agent, so when I ask it to book for me, it knows when I'm available. Also, the agent knows that my fiance is gluten sensitive, so I don't have to type that every time.
That's it. I can close my laptop and go do something else. The agent checks the calendar, searches the web, verifies details, and finally makes the reservation by connecting to the calendar and OpenTable. You've basically got me all the way there, 100%. It found Kusakabe in San Francisco for next week. That's a great choice. So I'm very happy with what it's done so far. Every so often, I get truly surprised. It does something that I didn't expect or better than I could have imagined.
We're on this journey of not just improving our models, but improving the tools that the model has at its disposal. And it's like a symbiotic thing. The better the tools, the better the agent can use them.
Now it's your turn. Just try it.
If it can get 90–95% of the time-consuming part of the work done, that's a huge time saver for you.
If you found this tutorial helpful, please like the video and subscribe to our channel for more tutorials. And let us know in the comments what you'd like to automate with the ChatGPT agent. Thanks for watching.